How to turn off Gemini in Gmail. If Gemini has started appearing in Gmail and you'd rather switch it off, here's how to do it. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account where you're seeing the Gemini features. Next, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings. Now look for settings related to smart features in Gmail or smart features in Google Workspace. If these options are turned on, switch them off. To turn off smart features and personalizations, you need to reload Gmail. If you have unsaved changes to other settings, these changes will be lost. Click Turn Off Reload. Once Gmail loads again, check whether the Gemini tools or AI features have been removed. Just keep in mind that if you're using a work or school Google account, the setting may be controlled by your Google Workspace administrator, which means you might not be able to turn it off yourself. And that's how to turn off Gemini in Gmail. If this helped, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.